extinguishing fire with the use of blanket, especially kung galuto mo using deep fat fryers sa may kitchen or galis.
Okay, next. Start the fire with caution.
Warning, for educational purposes only.
Libre ka lang ha. Okay, okay. Oh. Are you ready, sir? Yes, sir. Go!
Don't play a hero. Think of your own safety first when in doubt.
Stop ha. Cover up, all. Stop. Very good. Very good. Make sure no more fire ha. Lalim. Do like this ha. Slowly, slowly.
If you don't have a fire blanket, any towels with the right size will do as long as it is wet.
Slowly. 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 Very good. Very good. Okay, last.
One more thing, make sure to cut off the supply like gas or electricity before even attempting to extinguish the fire.
Tingnan po, sir. Parang pag ganyan, sir.
Sito.
O, siya ito na. Spray mo kagad, sir. Sige mo sa kanya, sir. Ayaw mo siya. Sige, sir. Spray!
In here, we're showing 3 ways of extinguishing the fire using fire blanket, fire extinguisher, and water using foam like this. Since oil is a Class B fire, kinahanglan ng foam in order to stop the spreading out of flammable liquids.
Very good. So make sure, gentlemen, when you cover up, the whole area must be covered to make sure that there's no air coming in. Otherwise, the fire still continue. Ano naman dito, partner?
Here's the rest of the fire team Alpha members trying to put out the fire.
Yes, alpatin muna, sir. Are you ready, sir? Attack the fire with caution, ha? Caution. Go! Be careful. Cover up. Make sure no air coming in. No more. Okay, release ECC from the bottom. Very good. And don't do, when you remove, when you backing out, sir, don't do like this. Always do like that. This way, it might be possible for reignition. Attack! Make sure no air coming out, no air coming in. Okay, very good. Now remove ECC. Very good. Go! More up, more up, more up. Okay, cover up. Cover up. Then tap on. Very good. Make sure no fire before you remove the blanket, ha? Easy, 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 easy. Very good. Let's cover up like this. Move. Stock with caution, ha? O may iniyaw na bakal na. May iniyaw na bakal na. Okay, easy, easy. From the bottom. Okay, release. Very good.